So it's given negative 2y is a 0. So I write it down, 0 equal to negative 2y. But we know that whenever you have a complex number, in this case it's plain imaginary, then its brother will be showing up, the conjugate of it, so plus 2y. So I have two zeros which can actually divide my polynomial, and based on the 0 you can develop the factor. Just flip the sign, so x plus 2y and x minus 2y. Since these two are imaginary, I'm going to go ahead and multiply them to get a nice real number, real factor here. X minus 2y equals x squared. If you do the FOIL rule and figure out, you'll get x squared plus 4. So now I'm going to use this x squared plus 4 and divide my polynomial f of x. So I'm going to divide f of x by x squared plus 4, because x plus 2y, x minus 2y, both are factors, so that means they will do a clean division. So let's give it a shot. X squared plus 4, here x power 4 minus 7x cubed plus 14 x squared minus 28x plus 40. Now we are going to do long division. You may have seen this before, but follow me if you have forgotten or having a little difficulty to recall. So first I multiply with x squared to the x squared plus 4 in order to raise the power to x power 4. And then I can do plus, when I do it with plus 4, it will be 4x squared, but I have to drop it under the x squared term. Sorry about that. Minus, you have to subtract the bottom guy. So you get x squared, x4 will cancel out. Negative 7x to the 3. 14x squared minus 4x squared will be a plus 10x squared. I'm going to bring down the 28x and the 40. Won't hurt us. Now I have a lead guy. He's negative 7 x power 3. I need to multiply the x squared on the divider side by negative 7 and an x, so that the power will rise up, negative 7x to the 3. And then I multiply negative 7x to the 4. That gives me negative 28x down below. And I'm going to subtract them. Double negative makes it positive. So that would become 0 here. 10x squared. 0 in the middle. And 40. Now you could see I need a 10 right about there to get 10x squared here and plus 40 here. So I subtract, I get 0. Very good division. Okay, so the quotient of the division is x squared minus 7x plus 10. So I take it to the next column here. So it is x squared minus 7x plus 10. So factoring immediately comes to my mind. This is actually x minus 5 times x minus 2. So I have four factors. Factor 1, x plus 2y. Factor 2, x minus 2y. Factor 3, x minus 5. Factor 4, x minus 2. So they are asking us following a conjugate root theorem, and you are asking us to factor. So we are going to enter the value. Now in Hawk, I can write it as x minus 2i and x plus 2i. Those two are free. Then calculation, x minus 5, x minus 2. Yep, it worked.